Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the channel where we describe how AI is changing the world and how we can stay ahead of it. In today's video, I am going to show you how to automatically send latest news articles from any RSS feed straight to your Gmail, fully formatted. Here what it looks like when it's done. Every morning at 8 a.m. my Gmail automatically receives an email like this. So is it not that cool? And the best part is the whole thing built in N8N. No coding required except for the tiny code node that makes the email look beautiful. And don't worry, I'll provide you that code in the description so you also don't have to write that. Now without wasting the time, let's start building this workflow. For that, I'll simply click on this add icon and select the workflow here. You can name it anything you want, for example, daily news. Now we have to add our first node. Our first node is a schedule trigger. For that, I'll simply click on this add icon and search for schedule here. So here you can see the schedule trigger. I'll simply click on this. Now we have to set up when the workflow runs. For this demo, I run it every day at 8 a.m. That means at 8 a.m. daily the workflow will start, check the RSS feed and sends the email. So first field is the good, second field is good. We don't have to make any changes here. We just have to select the time here. For that I'll simply select the 8 a.m. here and press Ctrl+S to save this. Our schedule trigger is done. Now I'll just go back to canvas and let's move to the next step. Now we have to grab the news. For that I'll simply click on this add icon and search for RSS read here. Here you can see it's asking for the RSS feed URL. For that I'll simply use this one. So the question is how you can get these RSS URLs. For that you simply have to go on the Google and search for RSS news URLs list. And you see the lot of website. For that I'll just simply click on the first one. And here you can see this website has the all RSS URLs from the world. So BBC News, NBC News, CNBC News. So you can copy the anyone you want and you can specify the category as well. I'll simply go back to N8N and press Ctrl+S to save this. Now let's back to the canvas. Click execute workflow to test this. I'll simply click on this button and let's see if it works or not. Here you can see dozen of news articles fetched, but we only want 3 or 5 of them. For that I'll simply click on this add icon and search for the limit here. So here you have to set the limit. For that I'll simply set the 3. You can select anything you want, for example 5, 8, 10, any news article you want on your Gmail. Leave the other settings at default. I'll simply press Ctrl+S to save this. Now I'll simply click on this execute setup and let's see how it works. Here you can see it only provides us the 3 articles on the output, and that's what we need. I'll simply press Ctrl+S to save this and go back to canvas. And now let's move to the next step. Now we have to make the email looks clean. For that I'll simply click on this add icon and search for the code node here. So here in the code node, make sure that your language is JavaScript, and for the JavaScript code I write this code here. I'll simply copy and paste it here there, and don't worry, I'll provide you this code in the description so you don't have to write it manually. This script take the articles, build a nice HTML list and passes it to the Gmail node. So for that I'll simply click on this execute setup and let's see if it works or not. Here you can see it provides us the HTML. Ignore these HTML tags in this format. These will be removed in the received email. Now let's go back to the canvas and move to the next and last step of our video. Our last step is to send the news to our Gmail. For that I'll simply click on this add icon and search for the Gmail here. And in the Gmail we have to search for the option send a message. I'll simply select this one. And here you just have to set a few things. Here you can see my account is already connected. If you are not connected, it will show you this screen instead of that screen. And here you can see it provides us the redirect URL and it's asking for the client ID and secret ID. I'll simply copy this redirect URL from here and we have to go to console.cloud.google.com, and here in this dashboard we have to go to API and services section. I'll simply click on this, and here you can see the option for credentials in the sidebar. I'll simply click on this. Now we have to create credentials. For that, I'll simply click on this create credentials button and select the OAuth client ID here. Here you can see it's asking for the application type, and I'll simply select the web application. And here in the authorized redirect URL, I'll simply click on this add URI and paste the URL we copied from the NA10. When you click on this create button, it will provide you the client ID and secret ID. You simply have to copy and paste it here. My account is already connected, so I'll simply close this for now. Now we have to set a few things here. Here you can see in the first field we have to add the email where we want to receive our news. So for that I'll simply add my Gmail here, meetaiguru@gmail.com. And here in the subject you can add any subject, for example daily news articles. And here in the message section you simply have to click and hold on this HTML body and drop it in the message section here. I'll simply press Ctrl+S to save this. Now let's execute this setup and see if it works or not. I'll simply click on this execute setup button here, and here you can see nodes executed successfully. Now let's check our Gmail and see if we receive the news articles or no. So here you can see I received the email with the title that we add, like daily news articles, and we received the 3 news here. And that's it. We build a complete automated news to Gmail workflow in just few minutes. You can change the RSS feed to any topic you like, for example sports, world news, crypto, or anything you like. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Thank you so much for the watching. See you in the next video.